Hi, John Buselink here from Alpha Professional Tools. Today I'm going to introduce you guys our paver tile Bullnose kit. This kit allows you to create the perfect factory finish right at the job site. We have electric water-fed polisher, and the polisher has a 15-foot electrical cord with a GFCI attached, and also has a water hose connection, which makes it perfect for the job site. It comes with our 2cm 3/4 full bullnose wheel, so you can actually grind and shape the perfect edge on the edge of the material. Comes with a 4-inch backer pad, hook and loop. And it comes with a set of Ceramica EX, 5 grits, so you're able to match the color on your material. And it also includes our apron to keep you dry when you're doing your fabrication. Now I'm going to demonstrate on how we could create the bullnose edge on the material. The profiler, the way this profiler works, the black nylon guide, this actually rides across the top of the material to keep it at a perfect cut and depth. Then there's a nylon guide rotary toucher inside here, so as you're grinding, you hear a lot of noise. Once the material touches this rotary toucher, the grinding action stops, and that's what creates the perfect shape going all the way across. So let's get started. Now that we created a shape on the edge of the material, we need to polish it up now. So we have a 5-step system here of multiple grits. So depending on the factory finish of your material, which grit do you want to stop at to match the factory? That depends on the material. So as we polish here, it's up to you where you want to stop. I'm going to give you a helpful hint. For all you rookies out there, if we take a China marker and we just put some on the edge of the material, this allows the operator to know when they can go on to the next grit. So once that red China marker is removed, you know you're able to go on to the next grit in the series. So let's get started here. We're going to put our first grit on. It's hook and loop. Put the water on. We're just going to polish up in a motion like this. Now we're going to move on to our next grit, which is a 500. And this grit here, the red one, actually leaves a hone finish on the material. So next we'll go on to our green, which is 1000, the dark green. The light green, which is 2000 grit. And then our last grit in the series, the brown, which is 3000. And now we successfully polished the edge of the material.